Want to replace your dishwasher's drain pump? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A flathead screwdriver and a new drain pump. Step 1. Detach the underside of the dishwasher. The drainage pump is located at the bottom of the dishwasher. Carefully lay the dishwasher on its side and loosen the bottom. Step 2. Remove the drain pump. The drain pump in this machine is attached to the housing by a click system. In your dishwasher, it may instead be attached by some screws. Loosen the drain pump and remove it from the appliance. Then disconnect the wiring from the old pump. Step 3. Install the new drain pump. Attach the wiring to the new drain pump. Place the new drain pump where the old one was. Step 4. Put the casing back in place. Reattach the bottom of the dishwasher. This can be done by clicking the underside into the retaining clips. You have replaced the drain pump and the dishwasher is ready to use again.